fell too fast, burned too bright. Now we're left in the dark, barely holding on tight. Used to be love in your voice, now it's silence and fights. Used to dream of forever, now it's sleepless nights. You changed, or maybe I did first. We stopped talking, just started throwing words. All those I love you sound fake now. You're right here, but it's like you're spaced out. It's too late for us, but I'm still here, still hoping one day you'll make it clear. We love on, we break without cause, but you're the reason my heart still draws. It's too late for us, or maybe not. We find each other just to lose what we've got. You say we're done, but still sleep in my arms. Too late for us, we're just another scar. You deleted my texts, I still reread yours. You pretend you moved on, but I see the remorse. We're fire and gasoline, playing with pain, but I'd rather feel this than nothing again. We're toxic, tragic, lovers on edge, standing on promises we never said. Maybe we're broken, beyond repair, but you're the only one I want when no one's there. Still here, still hoping one day you'll make it clear. We love wrong, we break without cause, but you're the reason my heart still draws. It's too late for us, or maybe not. We find each other just to lose what we've got. You say we're done, but still in my arms. We say it's over, then come back again, like we don't know how to be more than pain. Maybe one day we'll learn to love right, but not today, not tonight.